Good morning. Today we are going to talk about representing natural numbers on the number line. First, let's know the meaning of the number line. A number line is a straight line with numbers placed at equal spaces along its length. To know the meaning of this definition, let's draw a number line. Here, to draw any number line, we have to use the ruler. Here, our ruler. And draw line segment like this. Here, we have to put dash on each number. Start from 1, dash on 1, dash on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And now, here, the beginning of the line is going to be arrow, like this. And now, start to put the natural numbers, which starts from 0. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here arrow, the end of the line. And now it will be a straight line, like the definition, with numbers, here our numbers, placed at equal places. Yes, here between each number we have 1 centimeters along its length. Here all the number line. So here we have a number line. And now open your booklet, page 7. Number 1. Represent each of the following sets on the number line. In letter A, we have the set of 2 and 3. How can we represent this set on the number line? First, we have to draw the number line, like the last page. Here, put the ruler, draw a straight line like this, and now put on each number dash, on 1 dash. Here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now the first is going to be arrow. And now let's put the numbers from 0 and so on. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then here another arrow. And now how can we represent this set on the number line? We have 2 and 3. So on the point 2, on the number 2, put point. On the number 3, put point. So now we represent the set of 2 and 3 on the number line. And now in letter B, represent the set of 0, 1, 3 on the number line. Like the last question, let's draw first the number line. Here our ruler, the straight line, the points. Okay, here we have equal places. And now the first is going to be arrow. Let's write the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then the end it will be arrow. How can we represent the number line? So how can we represent the set? Put point on each number. Here we have 0, the first, so put point on 0. Here we have 1, so put point on 1. Here we have 3, so put point on 3. Can we put point on another number? No. So now we represent the set of 0, 1, 3. Mention using point. In letter C, represent the set of 2. So draw the number line like this. Here our dashes. And now the first will be arrow. Put the numbers. We start from 0. I cannot start from 1. We have to start from 0. And we have to write the numbers by order. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the arrow. And now let's put point on number 2. So can we write number 2 and stop the number line? No, we have to write all the numbers in order. And now in letter D, the set of 3, 4, 5, and so on. So on means all the numbers after 5, which are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. It's an infinite set. First, let's draw our number line here. Okay, put the dashes like this. The first will be arrow, then put the numbers. Can I start the numbers from 1 or 2? No, we have to write all the natural numbers or start the natural numbers from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here our arrow. And now let's represent. Here the first point is 3, so here put 3. The second point on 4. So here is it. The third point on 5. What about and so on? And so on means I'm going to take all the numbers which after the 5. So 6, 7, 8. We have to make point on them. And now, do we have finished? No, we have 9, 10, 11. If we extend this arrow, we're going to see 9, 10, 11 and so on. So we have to draw this line, this straight line, this ray, which means here we are going to take 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. And we will draw this straight line using this ray using the ruler. And now in letter E, 7, 8 and so on. So first draw my number line like this. Here our dashes. And now arrow 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and arrow. We are going to take which point? 7 and 8. So circle on 7 and circle on 8. And now what about and so on? So on means draw this ray. So this ray means and so on. So I'm going to take start from 7 and so on, which is infinity. So take 8, 9, 10, 11 and so on. And here number 2, write using the listing method each of the following sets of the numbers and represent each of them on the number line. In letter A, the set of x equals the set of natural numbers which are less than 6. Here to solve this question, we are going to solve it on 2 steps. First, using the listing method. Like the first term, listing method means open braces, list all the elements and put comma between each element, then close the braces and represent each of them on the number line. So we are going to draw a number line and represent the sets. First, the set of x equals the set of natural numbers which are less than 6. So here is the set of x. Open braces. What are the natural numbers which are less than 6? We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then close the braces. We cannot write the 6. He said here less than 6. And now let's draw our number line. Okay, like this. Put the dashes. The first will be arrow and here start putting the numbers. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and here another arrow. Let's here represent on the number line. How can we do this? Put circle or point on each number. We have 0, so put on 0, point. 1, so put point. 2, point. 3, put point. On 4, we are going to put point. On 5, we are going to put point. Do we have another element in the set of x? No, so now we have finished. In letter B, the set of k equals the set of natural numbers between 2 and 7. So k equals, and here we have the natural numbers. So the set of k equals the set of numbers between 2 and 7. So we have 3, 4, 5 and 6. We cannot write 2 or 7. We are going to write starts from 3, 4, 5 and stop at 6. And now draw the straight line, put the dashes and here arrow, put the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and here our arrow. Represent. How can we do this? Using points. On 3 put point, on 4 point, on 5 point, on 6 point. So here we represent the set of k which equals 3, 4, 5, 6 on the number line. In letter C, the set of h equals the set of even natural numbers which are less than 8. Here we have even numbers. So we are going to write all the even numbers which are less than 8. So the set of h equals open braces and write 0, 2, 4 and 6. We can't write 8 because I said here it's less than 8. And also we can't write 1, 3, 5 because I said here even natural numbers, not naturals only. And now let's draw the number line. Put the ruler, the line, the dashes on each number. The distance between each dash is 1 centimeter. Point here our arrow and put the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and arrow. And now let's represent the points. On 0 put point, on 2 point, on 4 point, on 6 point. And now in letter D, the set of L equals the set of natural numbers which are greater than or equals to 6. Here the set of L is natural number, so we are going to write natural numbers greater than or equals to 6. So we are going to write 6 and the numbers which are greater than 6. So L equals the set of 6, 7, 8 and so on. Why we wrote 6? Because he said here greater than or equals to 6, so we have to write the 6 with us. So the set of L equals 6, 7, 8 and so on, 6 and more. Okay, so let's draw the number line and put the dashes. And now arrow, let's put the numbers. As we said before, we have to start from 0, so we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and arrow. Let's put the point on 6, 7, 8. What about these dots? These dots and so on. As we said before, we have to draw this ray, which means and so on. So we will start from 6 and move on. Okay, so it will be and so on. Here we have to know this note. This sign means more than or equal, more than or equal. And this sign means less than or equals. So we are going to take the number with us. So here, this sign more than or equal, and this sign is less than or equal. Let's solve letter E, the set of odd numbers. Here, as we know, the set of odd numbers, which means O. So O equals the set of 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. So let's draw the number line, and here our line, the dashes, and here my arrow, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and another arrow. How to represent the set of odd numbers? Put point or circle on the odd numbers. So we are going to leave the 0, put circle on 1, 3, 5, 7. What about and so on? So we are going to go to the first point, which is the point 1, and make our ray, which means and so on. We will start from 1 and take all the odd numbers. And now in letter F, the set of Y equals the set of A such that A belongs to N. So our numbers are belongs to N. And A is bigger than or equals to 5. So this sign is read as bigger than or equal. So we are going to write 5, 6, 7 and so on. All the numbers which are bigger than 5. So the set of Y equals the set of 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. Let's draw our number line. Here our line and the dashes. Put arrow, put the numbers from 0, 1 and so on, and here close it with the arrow. Now let's represent the numbers. 5 put point, on 6 put point, on 7 put point, on 8 put another point. And what about and so on? We have to draw here this ray. And now in letter G, the set of M equals A such that A belongs to N. So we are going to deal with N. All the numbers are going to be belongs to N, the set of natural numbers. And A is bigger than or equals to 3, less than or equals to 6. What is the meaning of this? So our numbers must be from 3 to 6. From 3 to 6. So the set of M equals the set of 3, 4, 5, 6. And now let's draw the number line. ruler, draw line, put the dashes on each number, and the first will be arrow. Put the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and arrow. Let's represent the points. On 3, put point. On 4, point. On 5, point. On 6, another point. And now we have finished. Thank you for listening. Hope it was a nice and easy lesson. Thank you.